Welcome to Prehistoric Art, art before the written word. This is your professor, Federico von Borstel. We're going to look in this course at the origins, the beginnings of art. When did humans start creating art? And what does that art look like? Plastic sensibility in the form of art emerges when we are less preoccupied with survival activities. As my father, Francisco von Borstel, used to say, when you are preoccupied about money, you can't think about anything else. There needed to be a surplus of food for these people to have the time to spend making these works of art, either during the winter, after gatherings, after a large hunt. There needed to be a sufficient amount of food that they didn't have to be out chasing for it and could dedicate the time to making these beautiful works of art that you're going to look at in this course. Prehistoric Art, Table of Contents. This course is divided into 8 lectures, as you can see here. This first lecture is a short welcome and an overview of the table of contents. You can come back and look at it anytime you want with more detail at your leisure. Lecture number 2, we're going to have an introduction to the art of prehistory. When does art start? What is the first art? What does it look like? Who made these first objects of art? Lecture number 3, the fundamental distinction between objective and non-objective art. This will help you in your understanding of art, not only of this course, but of any art course that you take. Lecture number 4, this course is divided into portable art and parietal art. It is where the art is made. Is it something that can be moved around, or is it fixed to a wall? But that difference is very important in the way we look at the art of the prehistory. Number 5 is the body, the core of the course. We're going to look at the art of the caves of the Ice Age. An amazing art, unique into itself, not only in prehistory, but I would say throughout any time in human history. We're going to look at the art from the caves of Chauvet, Lascaux, Pêche-Merlet, Font de Gomme, and Altamira. We're also going to look at an introduction to the prehistoric art of the Americas and the prehistoric and aboriginal art of Australia. The prehistoric art of Asia, such as Japan, China, India, we look at that under the specific art courses for those regions. For Chinese art, for Japanese art, for Indian art, we cover it there. Lecture number 8 are 3 projects, and these projects are designed to help you improve as an artist, your appreciation, your understanding of art, and your skills as an artist and designer. Hope you enjoy this course as much as I have enjoyed making it for you. It's an art that has attracted my attention since I was a young person, and here it is for you to enjoy along